Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and welcome to English class. Okay, today we will learn how to write joining A to joining T. Okay, so hurry up, go and get your English notebook, your sharpen pencil, and your eraser. So let's start our work. First of all, we will write here date. Today is 3rd November. So here I have written 3.11 because it's कौन सा मंथ चल रहा है? It's November. Okay, November के लिए हम यहाँ पे हमने डेट चेंज कर दी. पहले हम 10 लिखते थे ना, 10 अक्टूबर था, अब 11 नवंबर है, देन डॉट 20. ओके, हियर आई हैव रिटन डे. टुडे इज ट्यूसडे, TUESDAY, Tuesday. And here write down the heading joining A hyphen joining T. Okay, so let's start. We'll start from the first line. Okay, we'll start from the second blue line. Go up with the tail, then take a turn, come down, go up, make a loop. और इसी loop से आप small a बनाओगे. Okay, you will make small a. Okay, and come down and take a turn. Okay, this is joining A. And आपको क्या बोलना है? Joining A. This is joining A. For joining B, we will start from the first red line, come down, go up, make a semicircle, then make a semicircle and take a turn. Don't join here. यहाँ से आपको ओपन रखना है इसको. ओके, और यहाँ से बिल्कुल नीचे से इसके ज्वाइन करते हुए हमने go up with the slanting line, take a turn, cut on the line, take a turn, go up, make a zero and come out and touch the फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन. ओके, दिस इज ज्वाइनिंग बी. हम ऐसे ज्वाइनिंग बी लिखेंगे. देन वी विल राइट ज्वाइनिंग सी. ज्वाइनिंग सी के लिए हम कैपिटल सी लिखेंगे और इसी कर्व को ऊपर ले जाएंगे फॉर स्मॉल सी. ओके, एंड इन दिस वे वी विल राइट ज्वाइनिंग सी. फॉर ज्वाइनिंग डी, we'll start from the first red line, come down, take a turn, make a loop, go up and make a curve and leave it on this blue line. Okay, and here यहाँ से हम नीचे से curve उठाएंगे join करते हुए. We will write small d, go up, come down and take a turn. Okay, what is this? This is joining D. After joining D, here we will write joining E. Go up, take a turn, then go up, touch the first blue line and leave it. Okay, और हम यहाँ से join करते हुए will write small e. This is joining E. Okay, for joining F, we start from the first red line, make a curve like this, come down and take a turn. Okay, and here write down a sleeping line. Okay, cut on this line and हम यहाँ से start करेंगे नीचे से touch करते हुए. We will go up with the slanting line, take a turn, cut on the line, come down till second red line, go up, touch the line and come out with the small sleeping line. This is joining F. After joining F comes joining G. For joining G, we'll start from the second blue line, go up, take a turn and go up, come down again, touch the second red line, take a turn और यहीं से हम ऊपर जाएंगे. For small g, we will make small g like this. This is joining G. Okay, for joining H, we'll start from the first blue line, go up with the slanting line till first red line, come down, then touch second blue line and take a turn, and here make a one more standing line, come back, मेक अ लूप और इसी लूप से हम ऊपर जाएंगे और यहीं से हम स्मॉल एच बनाएंगे. ओके, दिस इज joining H. After joining H, we will write here. Yes, tell me. Joining I. Yes. We'll start from the first blue line. Make a sleeping line. Take a turn and go up. Again, take a little turn. Come down. Okay. Come down till second blue line and take a turn. और come back और यहीं से join करते हुए will write small I and put dot on small I. Okay, be careful about the dot. Okay, after joining I we will write joining J. How we will write joining J? We'll start from the first blue line, make a sleeping line like this, take a turn, go up, again take a little turn, come down with the long standing line, take a turn, cut on the line और इसी line को हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे and we will make joining J, small j, and put dot on small j. Okay, this is joining J. Okay, now we'll write, yes, joining K. Yes, go up with the slanting line, come down with the standing line, take a turn, and here make a slanting line, again make a slanting line, take a turn and go up with the slanting line, take a turn, cut on the line, come back, make a curve, semicircle, and come down with the slanting line and take a turn. This is joining K, and after joining K we'll write joining L. How we will write joining L? Yes, look at the board. Go up, come down, make a loop, touch the second blue line और second blue line से ही हम ऊपर जाएंगे with the slanting line, take a turn and cut on the line. This is joining L. After joining L, we will write joining M. Yes, we'll start from the first blue line, go up with the slanting line, take a turn, come down, come back, make a mount like this, come back, again make a mount and take a turn and join करते हुए हम small m बनाएंगे. Okay. Yes, take a turn. This is joining M. Okay, now after joining M, we will write joining N. How we will write? जैसे हमने M बनाया है, इसी की तरह we will write joining N. Go up, take a turn, come down, come back, make a mount. Then take a turn करते हुए साथ ही हम इसके we will write small n and it will become क्या बन जाएगा joining n. After joining n क्या आता है tell me? M n. Yes, it comes O. अब हम यहाँ पे joining O लिखेंगे. For joining O will start हम first red line से start करेंगे. हम नीचे आएंगे कैसे लिटिल टर्न के साथ. ओके, स्मॉल कर्व, एक कर्व के साथ हम नीचे आएंगे. टच सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन, देन गो अप एंड टेक अ टर्न एंड लीव इट. ओके, हम ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे, हम हल्का सा स्पेस छोड़ेंगे और यहीं से हम नीचे से ज्वाइन करते हुए वी विल राइट स्मॉल ओ लाइक दिस. Okay, this is joining O. Now after joining O, it comes, yes, tell me, P. So here we will write joining P. How we will write joining P? Come down, go up with the curve and make a semicircle. Okay, now we will write join करते हुए हम small p लिखेंगे. Okay, come back and make a mount, take a turn and leave it. This is joining P. After joining P, here we will write, yes, joining Q. For joining Q, here we will write capital Q like this and take a turn and इसको हम join नहीं करेंगे. Okay, ऊपर से हल्का सा space छोड़ेंगे और हेयर मेक अ कर्व, और इसी कर्व को हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे एंड वी विल मेक small Q like this and go up and touch the second blue line. This is joining Q. After joining Q, we will write joining R. Yes. Yes, for joining R, come down with the standing line. Take a turn. Yes, make a curve, semicircle. Come down with the slanting line. Take a turn. और इसी turn से हम will make small r and it will become joining r. Okay. For joining, अब हम joining r के बाद क्या लिखेंगे? क्या आता है r के बाद? It comes small. Yes, it comes s. ओके तो हमने क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? joining s. तो joining s के लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? कैपिटल एस. टेक अ टर्न लाइक दिस. आप सभी को कैपिटल एस लिखना आता है ना? येस, यू ऑल नो. लीव इट. और यहाँ से नीचे से हम इसको ज्वाइन करते हुए कम डाउन विद द कर्व एंड कम बैक विद द कर्व लाइक दिस एंड लीव इट. ओके, हम ऐसे इसको लिखेंगे और ये क्या बन जाएगा? ज्वाइनिंग एस. ओके, एंड हियर विल राइट ज्वाइनिंग एस के बाद क्या लिखते हैं हम? क्या लिखेंगे? वी विल राइट ज्वाइनिंग टी. ओके, मेक अ कर्व, कम डाउन, टेक अ टर्न. अपर एंड लोअर कर्व शुड बी इक्वल. और यहाँ से ही नीचे से ही हम ज्वाइन करते हुए ऊपर जाएंगे विद द स्लांटिंग लाइन. कम डाउन, टेक अ टर्न एंड हेयर कट ऑन द लाइन. ओके, ये जो कट आपने डालना है रेड और ब्लू लाइन के सेंटर में with a small sleeping line. Okay, this is joining T. Okay, so let's read one more time. You have to speak after me. Okay, yes, this is joining A, this is joining B, this is joining C, this is joining D, this is joining E, this is joining F, this is joining G, this is joining H, this is joining I, this is joining J, this is joining K, this is joining L, this is joining M, this is joining N, this is joining O, this is joining P, this is joining Q, this is joining R, this is joining S, this is joining T. ओके, तो आज हमने क्या लर्न किया? हमने कहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट किया? ज्वाइनिंग ए टू ज्वाइनिंग टी. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग. ओके, थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.